Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn about the factory plus singleton pattern. So combining the factory pattern with the singleton pattern. We will learn about the singleton pattern also afterwards. So just I am trying to show you. So what is this factory pattern plus singleton pattern combined? In factory, it controls the object creation normally, and the in singleton pattern, and the same instance will be reused every time. This is very common for when you are working with the database connections or with the configuration loaders or with caches or the message brokers or something like that. So the problem is the bad approach is, for example, let's say that you are having a database class. Let's say I will be having here one singleton. Okay. The bad approach which I would be trying to explain you is, so now here, let's say we are having a database class, database.js file, class database I will be having it. And in this one, so what I will be trying to do, I will be having the connect. Okay. And in this connect, let's say connected to database connected. And here I can do the database. So this is the main thing. And now let's go to our app.js file. So whenever you are trying to do the app.js file, and here, so you will be having a constant db1 is equal to new database. Okay, new database. So here I'll be having, and let's say that I will be having a constant db2 is equal to new database. So now you need to understand that. So let's say that console.log db1 is equal to db2 or not. So if it is equal to db2 or not, if you try to check it, means let's go to here cd singleton, and here if I try to do the node app.js, it is a false. So why this one? So here we are trying to create two instances here, as you people already know. Multiple db connections are establishing, and this causes the resource waste, and also it is will be very hard to control the life cycle. So that is why the good approach is, which we will be using the factory plus the singleton pattern, which we will try to see. So here you will be having the database, okay, and I will be having here the constructor, so that you can able to see. So constructor, and here I can have something like console.log database instance created. Okay, so this is our constructor. So whenever the constructor is called, means instance will be created. So let's say I'm having another one is database factory.js file. So in this database factory.js file, so I'll be having a database factory, and this one will create the instance for you. So here, so what you can have, so you can have an instance is equal to null. So this is our instance, and here you can have another one, something like get instance. Okay, and if you don't have, if this dot if not of, okay, or otherwise if not of this dot instance, this dot instance is there. If it is not of instance is there, means then what I need to do, this dot instance is equal to new database. So I need to create the is equal to new database. So I will be creating a new database, and here I will be returning this dot instance. That's it. This dot instance. So here I will be creating the thing. So now here what I can do, so module.express is equal to database factory. So now here the factory hides the new thing. So in singleton ensures only one instance is created, and the instance is created lazily. So let's go to our app.js file. So in this app.js file, so I don't want this one all. So what I would be trying to do it is in this one. So what I would be trying to do it is, so let's go to our here, and in this one, so here I will try to create delete this entire thing. So I have deleted this entire thing. So let's say that I am having constant db1 is equal to database factory database factory database factory dot get database get what is it database factory dot get instance. First of all, let's try to import this database dot get instance. Okay, and I'll be having db2 also. So just we need to check it, are these both are same or not. So let's try to do it. And if I want to do it, means I can use the db1 dot connect. I can use it, and here also I can use db2 dot connect, and I can use this one. So if I try to run this single factory and cd singleton, sorry, singleton, and here I can use the node app.js file. So here database instance is created only once, and database connected is done to, are these both data instances the same, means it is true. So this is what you will be able to see it. So now here why this pattern is useful is, so single instance is shared, single shared instance resource will be there, controlled creation, centralized lifecycle, and a simple implementation. The common mistake what you try to do it is, in the thing you are trying to use the new database, something like that, right? Always ensures access through the factory only. So don't use the new database or something like that. So don't bypass the factory. So always try to access this database instance only through this factory. So this pattern is about lifecycle, not extensibility. So OCP doesn't come into this primary concern here. Use carefully to avoid the global state abuse. So that's it guys about this one. So one line thing which I want to tell you before closing is this: factory plus singleton is equal to nothing but one shared instance created through a factory. That's what about this one. So hope you understand about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.